Yonde is from my right to left, defending from the Independence Square end of the pitch, and there we go. That's the kickoff. Medeama gets us going now. Nuruddin with a long one in, headed back by Befi. Baba Musa. Fatao. That's a skillful, tricky Fojo. Now Baba Musa. That's all to find Nuruddin Abdullahi. Here is Mukhtar. Switches to Kosa. Kosa lays one to Salif Ibrahim. He wants to shoot and is not beating Felix Che. The 13 clean sheets goalkeeper is not beaten like this. That was a good pass from Salif Ibrahim. Then he made the move to get back to Kosa. Got a pass and has nil. Medeama nil. Match day 31 of the Ghanaian top flight. Here is Babel for Medeama. Switches to the left-hand side. Now comes Fojo. Fojo goes for goal. He takes a deflection and does the goal for Medeama. The Morgan Yellow have taken the lead at the Accra Sports Stadium. Medeama Sporting Club 1, Hearts 0. Derek Fojo, Medeama's number 10, puts them in the lead here. Their title aspirations very much on course. Big day for Derek Fojo, the goal scorer. It's Hearts 0, Medeama 1. Good play from Soa, intelligent pass from Babel. Fojo makes it away. He bounced off and Ayi had no answers. Took a slight deflection on the way, or a bounce on the ground. Yonde, intelligent play to shake off the challenge from Nuruddin. Here is Salif Ibrahim, toe pokes in, looking for Befi. Befi brings it back, and Caleb Amankwa goes down in the box. It's a penalty. Penalty for Hansabok. Young Bless points to the spot. That was good play from the striker. Real forwards play to shake up the challenge from Nuruddin. Here's Salif Ibrahim. He sees Befi, and Befi sees the advancing Caleb Amankwa. So look at Baba Musa's challenge. It's an interesting call. Did he make contact enough to win Hansabok a penalty? Referee whistles. Salif Ibrahim steps up and it's equalized for Hansabok. They are backing it. There's precision. Fojo skips past Caleb Amankwa. It is Fojo making his way into the box. He goes down and it's a penalty for Medeama. So that's the incident. He caught the leg. He caught the man. Atinga steps forward. Atinga scores and makes it 2-1 for Medeama. 11 to Richmond Ayi saw the direction. It was Mante again. It's Fojo on the move. He stays onside. Here comes Fojo. Another opportunity for Medeama. Fojo goes past Kredu and does the third goal for Medeama. Jonathan Soa finally gets on the score sheet. The Morgan Yellow. Derek Fojo, the real game changer for Medeama. It's causing all sorts of problems. It was a good pass to Fojo. He does a step over, goes past Kredu, sees Soa, and it's a cool finish. No problems, no difficulties for him. Lovely play, beautiful skill. And this is a tapping, completely beating Hansabok. Soa, and he's on the score sheet. Hansabok wants to react, and Salif Ibrahim's effort. Kosa controls it. And he puts one through for Yonde. Poor control from Yonde. Baba Musa is pushed down by Asante Yeboah. Free kick Medeama. Donsu. Manuel Mante. Here is Jonathan Soa. He's onside and he gets a second. It's 4-1. Jonathan Soa on the double. Hatzabok being torn apart at the Accra Sports Stadium. Jonathan Soa, born and bred in Accra, plays in Takwa. He's returned to his hometown to hunt his hometown club. It has 1, Medeama 4. Attack gives away possession cheaply, but he still got it back. He overruns the ball and kicks it into the side net. They can't afford to draw points in those games. Here is Obin Jr. Good play from Obin Jr., but the goalkeeper is very much alert. Felix Che. Babel will applaud his goalkeeper. Obin Jr. did want to create the space for himself, unleashed one, but not convincing enough to hit the back of the net. Ante. Now Fojo. Good ball to find Akwesi Donsu. He stays onside. Donsu shoots, and it's a 5th goal. Total annihilation. They've massacred and they've torn the Phobians. And Richmond IE, he was nearer to the ball but couldn't just stop it. Hatzabok's heaviest defeat in the Premier League. 2 minutes away. Recruited from the Inter-Schools Football Festival will get his turn soon. Anova. Donsu. Manuel Mante. Here is Joshua Poku. He shoots and he goes